In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Claude AI account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can remove your account confidently. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting your account is permanent and will remove your chats and associated data, so make sure you truly want to proceed. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Claude AI. This is just to help you get to the official site quickly. When the results appear, look for the official Claude AI link. Double-check the web address to make sure it's the legitimate site before you click. Avoid ads or lookalike links. The correct homepage should clearly say Claude and use the Claude AI domain. Once you're on the Claude website, sign in. On the login screen, choose Continue with Google or use your email, whichever you originally used to create your account. If you use a different method than before, you may end up creating a separate account, so it's best to stick with your original sign-in method. After you're signed in and see the Claude interface, look to the bottom left corner of the sidebar. You should see your initials or a small profile icon. Click that. If you're on a smaller screen or mobile device and don't see the sidebar, open the main menu first, then find your profile icon there. This is the gateway to your personal settings. From the menu that opens, choose Settings. This takes you to the area where you can manage your preferences, account details, and privacy options. Take a breath here and make sure you're in the right place before moving forward. Inside Settings, navigate to the Account tab. Depending on your screen size, tabs may run across the top or down the side, but the one you want is labeled Account. This is where you can manage core account actions, including deletion. Now, locate the Delete Account option. When you click Delete Account, a confirmation prompt will appear asking you to acknowledge the consequences. Read it carefully. If you're certain, confirm by selecting I understand. This final confirmation is designed to prevent accidental deletions. Once you confirm, the process will begin and you may be signed out. Some deletions may take a short time to fully process, but access to your account will be removed. That's it. You opened the official site, signed in the same way you originally did, accessed your profile, went into Settings, opened the Account tab, and confirmed Delete Account by selecting I understand. If you were just exploring, pause before that final confirmation. Once it's done, it can't be undone. Thanks for watching, and take care.